The final World Rugby Rankings of the season have been released, bringing a welcome boost for Wales as they end the campaign in 12th place. This marks a significant turnaround after a brutal stretch of 18 consecutive test defeats dating back to 2023 in the Rugby World Cup in France. Welsh fans had initial cause for celebration earlier this month when Matt Sherratt's side secured a morale-boosting victory over Japan in the second of two matches on tour. That win not only lifted the weight of a long losing streak but also propelled Wales back up the global rankings. They had fallen to a record low 14th place after their initial loss to Japan, who overtook Wales alongside Samoa. This surplus threatened Wales' seeding for the 2027 World Cup in Australia, with the draw scheduled for December.
And I think as a character, Steve brings enormous EQ, emotional intelligence to it. He's a collaborator. He's someone who embodies learning and development himself. And I think those are the sort of qualities that are really going to try and get the best out of our group of players.
The expanded tournament will feature 24 teams divided into 6 pools of 4, seeding according to the rankings. Being outside the top 12 by them would prove Wales as third band of the seedings, risking the pool of death against two of the world's best teams. Thankfully, the recent win ensured Wales remain 12th, just behind Georgia. Wales face a challenging autumn schedule with Argentina, New Zealand, South Africa and a third clash with Japan, all visiting Cardiff. A single win could secure their spot in the second banding for the World Cup draw. New Zealand edged closer to top spot after beating France, who slipped from the top 3, with England and Scotland closing in on higher positions, something the WRU have admitted they're fully aware of. This reshaped ranking landscape set for the thrilling autumn campaign where every point Wales earn will count to secure their future on rugby's biggest stage and make a return to somewhere they used to take for granted.